Hiya folks, we're back out on the tip. We're down in the woods, back to the spoil heap where we were before, and we're going to have a rummage around, see what we can find.
Well, you've actually just found something really cool.
Straight away actually.
There it is, look at that. It's a sample baby feeder bottle. So the sales rep would have gone round with a few of them in their case. It's made of glass.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I've dug bigger ones, Victorian ones, and we have signs of Victorian bottles here as well, and the remains of a Dundee marmalade there. So we're going to take the top of this off now.
The rain has washed quite a bit up since we were here last and revealed these little bits, hasn't it?
Yeah, that's a really cool find. That's definitely the best find from this tip so far. And also one of the milk bottles which we dug before. We can see some writing on it, look. Can't quite make out what it is.
Not sure.
Look at the size of that milk bottle there. Look at that.
It's such a shame the top's broken on that one.
That's a huge milk bottle. So let's get digging. See what we can find. Another milk bottle here. Oh, pardon.
Wow.
Let's get digging. So I've just taken off the capping of this tip, and we can see a few bottles there, look. And there's a bottle stopper.
Oh, I like those.
You like those, don't you?
I do.
That was a tough little dig. Very sticky clay type.
And a paste jar.
I bet it is. You like your paste jar?
I do. Yep. Oh, it's a very plain one. And it's cracked.
Yeah. Oh. So now, let's see what we can dig out.
A few bits of pottery there, look.
Yeah. Let's give it a go then, shall we?
Well, let's hope that that marmalade jar that's on the surface there is an indication
Of very old bottles to come.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's find out. Let's get digging. What is it?
I just got quite excited. I'm not exactly sure what it is. But whatever it is, it's got 3 little cats on it. Can you see them?
You're a very cat person.
I am a cat person.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
See them?
It's
Some toy of some description, is it? Like a little... There's
a
another
lid.
half somewhere.
Yeah, it might be here.
Maybe.
We have to keep that.
We do, because it's got cats.
It's going to go on our little display cabinet.
Does it go on the old things one or the cats one though?
The cats one. Has to go on the cats one. Have another poison bottle.
Nice.
This one says not to be taken, so we better leave it behind then.
The classic.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's a keeper.
Yes. And there's something else here. What's that? Oh, it's a pebble. Oh, there's a coloured bottle down there. Top off. Look all the way down to it. There's a few down there. Blimey.
What's that sound?
You don't like that sound.
Crunching glass.
You know, you could go really slow at it like an archaeologist and you'd be here forever trying to expose things.
Yeah, that's me.
There's a cool meat paste pot.
Ooh.
That's a different one.
Oh, I don't have one of those.
We're keeping that.
Yeah.
It's like a little bowl.
Yeah.
Fill it with sea glass.
Yeah.
But there's an interesting looking bottle down here. There it is. It's got a funny shape to it.
I wonder, is that one of those Corona bottles that we found last time? It's like it's got lots of sides. Lots of sides to it.
I think it is. I think it is.
That's a big bottle.
Yeah. It is.
The same one.
It's one of those Corona bottles. We don't need any more of them.
It's quite a cool shape though.
Another one here, I think. Oh, this is different.
That's a different one.
What have we got?
It's still got part of a label on it, look, on
Yeah,
the front.
we're gonna
Shiny.
we'll wash that off and see what it is. If you rub that now, it's just gonna.
It's going to disintegrate.
Yeah, so we'll take that. Find out. Look.
It's a face jar.
It is.
Yeah, I don't have one of those.
That's,
I don't have one of those.
that's some funky lines.
It's a different pattern.
That's coming home too.
Yes. I wonder how many different paste jars there are.
You're gonna have the best collection in the UK.
What's that plate?
Tip is going up and up. It's really running out now.
Oh, it's not a plate.
Oh, what was that?
Something to do with the toilet. It's a mug. 2 mugs. And a cup.
Look at that. Bone china.
Cloth.
Bone china made in England. Empty it. Pretty little pattern on
Rose
it.
pattern on it, look.
Is that its handle? It is as well.
Oh, yes.
Oh no. No.
Oh, no, there's another one.
Ooh. That was probably a nice piece back in the day.
Yeah.
Very
And
valid.
there's like a china mug there, is there? Just a plain white one. I found a
Yeah.
few of those on here.
Yeah. Wonder what this is.
Toilet.
That bloody toilet.
It's everywhere.